All right, here it is. This is going to be a big job, but we're ready for it. Wow, this project is shaping up to be epic. Let's make this R34 shine again. All right, perfect alignment, it's stable. Looks good. Let's start the lift.
Keep tension on the cable.
Understood. Slow and steady.
Watch the wheels.
They're dragging. More power. Pull it up slowly. Watch the alignment. Perfect. Bring it to a stop. Keep it slow. A little more to the left. Good, stop here. Slowly, slowly. Stop. Perfect. Thanks, boss. Keep it slow and steady. Check the cables for any slack. Now, gently onto the floor. Perfect. Perfect. Set the brakes and we're all clear.
All right, time to face the mess.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh man, this is gonna be tough. Definitely seen better days in here.
Wow, look at that rust. It's even worse than I thought.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a tough job. The floor is completely gone. All right, yeah, it's definitely eaten through here. Look at that flake. We're gonna need to rebuild this whole section. All right, center console here.
All right.
Dashboard next, careful not to crack it. Doors last. Organized and ready. Okay, focusing the light here. Yeah, severe corrosion along this pillar.
Yep.
Checking the floor next, more rust buildup.
All right, penetrating oil applied. Let's see if this ratchet can break it loose. That's it, slow and steady.
All right, floor pans marked, structure check. We're ready for the next stage.
Looking good, ready to go.
Severe 50-year deterioration. These chassis rails are heavily corroded. Significant oxidation on the underbody panels.
Cầm tay con chín hiểm cài thoải mái cài đâu.
Perfect, that's a good even coating. Looks sharp.
Keep it coming. Straighten out a little bit. Perfect, stop right there. All right, perfect fit. Now the final adjustments. Perfect fit, the reflections are pristine. Just a few final adjustments and it's sealed. It looks flawless, just like the bodywork. All right, time to wake you up. And we have life, looking good. Just checking this hose here.
Perfection. Every detail exactly as I envisioned.
Time for a test drive. The restoration is perfect. It drives like a dream.
It's flawless.
I'm so proud.